Today, I'm going to be making a project without knowing what it is. Let me explain. So, John has an idea for a project. He is going to be given 20 minutes to start making that project.
This is all the cuts you need.
And then I will come in with no idea what his original intent was. I am flabbergasted. And I will continue building that project with the pieces he's cut, the things he's laid out, and then John will come back.
Like you saw most of the vision.
He'll have another 20 minutes to salvage whatever I've done to his project or take it on a new trajectory, depending on what I think the project now is. Let's see how this goes.
It feels very weird to hold a camera like this, but I'm gonna put a picture on screen right now. This is the idea of what I want to build. I'm essentially gonna give Peter these pieces and we'll see how he does with it. Okay, so this is the board I'm planning on using for this whole project. I think I can get it all done with just this. So, hold on. We're gonna start by getting 3 pieces cut off of this, one at 12 inches, one at 10 inches, and another one at 8 inches.
Are you not gonna join playing it?
I just don't think I'll need to.
Okay, let's get to cutting.
Let's do it! 1 foot. I'll just cut that first, I think. I don't know what I'm doing as much as Peter does, I think.
Well, that's okay. At the end of the day, it just needs to be something that I can build on.
Right. I think you'll, I don't know, maybe you'll have a good idea, maybe you won't, but we'll find out. And I guess these don't need to be like perfect. I don't know if that gives you any clues, but ready?
Yep. Wow, you just went for that.
12 inches done.
Guys, comment down below how my filming skills are. I feel like they're,
Are they bad?
they're doing the job.
How do you line it up so quickly every time, though? I
You
feel
can
like
put the light on. There's a light. Look. If you put this light on, now when it goes down, you get the little light.
then I can kind of, yeah.
But you don't like when I have the light on for filming.
Yeah, watch. Look.
Well, go down. Yeah, see, now it looks good. See, I like the light.
10 inches?
I think that you are a better woodworker than I am camera operator.
That's possible.
Yeah. And now what, 8 inches?
8 inches.
8 inches.
They called me in college.
No, they didn't. I went to college with you. They did not call you that.
Enough, I think.
From this angle, it looks like your hand was on the blade while you cut.
Still got him.
Not joining the blade. Crazy.
We might use this most of this board.
Alright, I hope it's a good project.
We're gonna rip this down to 3 inches, I think, the whole thing.
Even those?
No, just this.
Just that, okay. Sneeze?
The sawdust on this side of things is,
Yeah.
oh, I couldn't sneeze. Let's get this ripped down.
Don't mind the black bags of leaves and the sled behind him.
Yeah, it's sort of spring here.
Spring cleaning here.
We need this at 3 too. Yeah.
Okay.
I think these are 28 and a half.
Okay.
And the last thing I need to do to these is put an angle on both sides. But I'm historically bad at putting these angles on.
I would help you, but that would defeat the purpose. So.
Yeah. I think first thing I'm gonna do is just bring it over and get an eyeball on like what does that look like?
You're just guessing what the angle is? You're just gonna guess?
I'm gonna take a guess.
Oh boy.
What does this look like? Like if I cut, okay, now I see why you get the light.
Right.
I'm gonna do it.
Okay.
Are we ready?
Yeah, we've been rolling the whole time.
Okay.
I've been filming everything.
Okay. I have no idea if this is gonna work, but. So I'm gonna flip this around now, and I need to get.
Trapezoid or parallelogram?
Don't help me.
I'm just asking a question. I don't know if you even know what those shapes are. Okay, parallelogram. nice. I like that we have a vacuum hose.
Okay,
And it's not hooked up to it.
this is exactly what I was going for, I think. In my head, this is the angle that it was at. But I kind of randomly cut these, and I need this one to be the exact same.
Good luck.
That might prove to be sort of difficult.
Okay, little editor's note at the moment. I have no idea what you're making.
Right.
I'm thinking maybe some sort of stand, some sort of plant stand.
So if I just chop one side. Let's get this. And then I try to line
You can line those up, all right?
line those up. So I need to cut that. But these kind of have to be like, wait. Oh.
Yeah,
Oh.
Go to the other side of the miter saw.
Crazy.
It's almost like they have two sides of the miter for a reason.
So I line those up, and then I go like there.
Yeah.
Honestly, even if I cut both,
Right.
because I'm not going for a specific.
As long as the other side's lined up, remember.
Yeah, they're pretty lined up. Lefty. Is that advised?
Nope. Yeah, you're just cranking through this wood. You're not even like...
Yeah, it's doing fine. This is all the cuts you need.
Okay. So
I think.
I feel like at this point, even though you could start building, I feel like I should start.
Yeah, I'm just going to sand these a little, and then we're going to swap to Peter.
Okay.
How's that sound? Swap it. 3, 2, 1. What?
Are you ready? And swap.
All right, I feel so much more comfortable.
I am flabbergasted. I am dumbfounded. I am beyond words. I have no idea what this project could possibly be. My initial thought is like, these are the legs, right? And then like maybe, right, if these legs are standing up, maybe these go in here and here and here. And the reason I'm thinking that this is the project is because Boondock Builds did a project like this quite a while ago. But I think he had two legs, like two sets of legs. I think it was like this, and then the other leg was here. Because obviously, like this, dominoes. Because these are all different lengths, but they're the same width. Right? So is it like... But that's not good. Oh. Oh, wait a second. If the bottom piece... Hold on. Okay. Maybe if this is here, this could offset the weight like this. Right? Could that work?
You made your final decision.
Yeah, I've made my decision. I think I was correct from the start. Right, too late now. All right, I think we should also clamp these, and then we're gonna have to bang those brad nails in after. I'm gonna line it up to this edge.
I think you have 3 minutes left, so. Alright.
Stop my time, baby.
Your time is up.
Can I wipe the glue? No, I'll let you wipe the glue.
Alright.
I mean, it looks cool. It definitely looks cool. Don't ask. It's another project.
I feel like you saw most of the vision. So I think I'm pretty much just gonna, do we have water? I don't know how you do all this commentary in between. What am I supposed to say to these people?
Just kind of let them know, you know, any updates on your health.
Yeah.
Okay, I think we filmed enough. John is now going to sand and stain, or sand and coat.
Yeah, we'll show you the coating.
Okay, goodbye.
How many people are gonna watch this video and go, who is that guy? I didn't go, I'm John, I'm the editor. I feel like there's probably like 300 people that know who I am.
Well, now there's gonna be
10 million?
Yeah, big video. This
20
video is gonna
million?
go crazy. I'd guess this video gets 6,500
Guys, if you
views.
made it to this point in the video, comment down below how many views it currently has. My guess is 10 million.
My guess, I guess 6,500.
Like if you're watching in 2030 and this has 40 million views, comment that down below.
There it is, guys. Finished project. This is the photo of what it's supposed to look like. John just showed me. So, almost. I mean, this stands alone, but obviously the leg should have been more in the middle. Also, there's that back leg piece that you just didn't cut. You just decided not to do that, but all in all, I think it came out pretty good. But that's gonna do it, guys. It's a different video, and I liked it. I think it was fun. So let us know if you liked it. More entertainment rather than like, here's how to do it. All right, like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Guys, if you like this video, click right here to watch another one, or you can click right here to watch another one.